Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you are watching me from at this moment. I just want to make a quick video. Please, I hope most of you have seen the update about Biafran satellites. It is now out. It's affordable. You can get it and store it in your home. I just want to show us this video so on how you can set it up and watch it from your house and anywhere you live, everywhere in the world. It's a satellite, so you can get it there no matter where you are. Once you have the what it takes, once you have the materials, you can store it. It is self-explanatory. And if you are finding it difficult, just follow the video that I'm about to show you now. Watch it to the end. You will understand how you can put it and set it up for yourself at home. It is very, very important as they're pushing us out from platforms like YouTube, Facebook. You know what I mean? If you have a page or YouTube or account, where you broadcast or do some of the posts about Biafran freedom and all that, you understand the challenges that everybody is having. So, for you to be free from such challenges, what I mean by that, if you want to watch and have access about on what is going on about Biafrans direct from Biafran government in exile, or you want to hear or watch program from PM, this satellite is for you. It is very important you do so. Now watch this.
The frequency we'll be using for this satellite is 11718 V 30,000. 11718 V 30,000. So I'll just impute it right now. 11718 V, then 30,000. 11718, then polarization vertical, that's V. Symbol rate is 30,000. 30,000. 30,000. So I'll just leave my tracking device where I can see it easily. Alright. So like we will always do in our videos, from any point that you are, alright, we're turning left, we'll turn right, turning left, turn right, turn left, turn right. Alright, so from this very point, let's go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Alright, if it doesn't come, we have to increase our elevation. That's increase our elevation, using elevation and increase. Alright, losing, then take it up a bit. Take it up a bit. Yeah, everything is tight. Let me just. Alright. Then go left, go left, go right. In case you don't know where your east is, you can go 360 degrees right around. Go left, go right. It doesn't come. We're increasing elevation. Again, tighten, tighten. Go left, go right. Go left, go right. It doesn't come. Let's increase elevation. But once again, yeah, tighten. We're going left, we'll go right. Go left, go right. Doesn't come. Let's increase elevation by, okay, we just increase elevation, right? Until it comes. Until it comes. Well, go left, go right. Go left, go right. It doesn't come. First, we are going to increase elevation one more time. Alright, let's go left. Okay, I think that was the signal just now. Okay, the signal is just close here. Okay, that's a signal. Signal 71%. Alright. Make sure your dish is firm. Tighten your dish so that it's firm. Alright, that's it. Yeah, that is a signal information. Right, so I'll just run a scan now. Let's see the channels that are on this. I'll just run a TP scan. There are other frequencies on this very particular satellite. I think I'll just run a few of them. Alright, let me run these and I'll run. Okay, let's see those channels. Let's see if we can run more. Okay, Tele 14 TFV, Nazareth TV Plus, Ambazonia Frido. Alright, Farin Water TV, alright, Dynamic Gospel, Jericho TV, SM TV, Medegbe TV, Express TV, Pure TV, SCBC TV, Phonics Television. Alright, so there are other TPs on this satellite. Let me see. So let's see how we can scan one more TP. 12085 horizontal 30,000. Okay, I'll just run another 12217. Vertical 30,000. Right, I'll just run a scan on this. Let's see what happens. Alright, so you can just run a blind scan instead of imputing manually. You can just run a blind scan. Alright. notifications of all our videos. Please do like this video, share it on your various platforms. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
This video you're about to watch is a video being made by a northerner. This guy you are seeing here. I will play it for you. Just listen to what he said. It is very, very important you do so. He's a northerner and hear what he has to say about Igbo people. Let's listen to him.
Igbo are the only tribe that no nation you will go in the whole world without finding Igbo. They are the only tribe. Any place you go in the whole world, in the entire world, you find Igbo. I made a research, and my research and my findings are valid. That Igbo can be found anywhere in the world. No any country in the whole world you will go without finding Igbo. Professor Patrick Pulo Lumumba once said, if you go to a particular place without finding Igbo, run. Igbo are the only tribe you can find in any profession in the whole world. To mention but a few, you find Igbo in management, you find Igbo in marketing, technology, communication, human resource, trades, healthcare, education, hospitality, consulting, pharmaceutical, aerospace, engineering, computer, information, agriculture, accounting, manufacturing, film industry, music industry, business development, sales, forestry, food space, any other profession you will find on earth, you must find an Igbo man. Igbo are the larger exporter of goods and services. Igbo stand out. And then Igbo are not found in government, yet they control the economy of the nation. These are facts. Kudos to the Igbos.
Okay, you have heard it all. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have not subscribed, like the page if you're watching from Facebook. See you again, guys. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye for now. Bye.